The liver is a powerhouse of an organ. It performs a variety of essential tasks, ranging from producing proteins, cholesterol and bile to storing vitamins, minerals and even carbohydrates. It also breaks down toxins like alcohol, medications and natural byproducts of metabolism. Keeping your liver in good shape is important for maintaining health. This video lists the 7 best foods to eat to keep your liver healthy. Garlic. Just a small amount of this pungent white bulb has the ability to activate liver enzymes that help your body flush out toxins. Garlic also holds high amounts of allicin and selenium, 2 natural compounds that aid in liver cleansing. The vitamin B6 in garlic works as an anti-inflammatory in your liver. The arginine in garlic, which is an amino acid, helps in giving relaxation to the blood vessels. This helps in easing blood pressure within your liver. Turmeric. Turmeric is the liver's favorite spice. Turmeric helps boost liver detoxification by assisting enzymes that actively flush out dietary toxins. Turmeric contains curcumin as its primary active ingredient. It is known as a very powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. This ingredient also helps in protecting your bile duct. This helps in boosting bile flow, thus working as a liver cleanser. It also helps in rejuvenating your liver cells through the prevention of alcohol and toxins from converting into compounds that could cause damage to your liver. When you sprinkle some turmeric over your food, it helps in adding little flavor while giving its amazing health benefits. Fatty fish. The fats found in fatty fish are beneficial for the liver, as well. In fact, they help prevent fat from building up, keep enzyme levels normal, fight inflammation and improve insulin resistance. While consuming omega-3 rich fatty fish appears to be beneficial for your liver, adding more omega-3 fats. Eating omega-3 rich fatty fish has many benefits for the liver. However, it's just as important to keep your omega-6 to omega-3 ratio in check. Walnuts. High in the amino acid arginine, walnuts support the liver in detoxifying ammonia. Walnuts are also high in glutathione and omega-3 fatty acids, which support normal liver cleansing. They support liver detoxification. They are loaded with antioxidants, thus helping in the neutralization of harmful free radicals. They also have healthy unsaturated fats which help in 2 main ways. Protecting from the accumulation of fat in your liver. Development of strong cell membranes around the liver cells. Coffee. Coffee is one of the best beverages you can drink to promote liver health. That drinking coffee protects the liver from disease, even in those who already have problems with this organ. And drinking coffee lowers the risk of cirrhosis, or permanent liver damage, in people with chronic liver disease. Coffee also decreases inflammation and increases levels of the antioxidant glutathione. Antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals, which are produced naturally in the body. Grapefruit. Grapefruit contains antioxidants that naturally protect the liver. The antioxidants in grapefruit protect the liver by reducing inflammation and increasing its protective mechanisms. It contains high amounts of vitamin C and glutathione. The liver also produces glutathione naturally. There are so many processes in our body that require glutathione. This includes producing proteins and chemicals essential for the body, tissue building and repair, and making a stronger immune system. Olive oil. Cold-pressed organic oils such as olive, hemp, and flaxseed are great for the liver when used in moderation. They help the body by providing a lipid base that can absorb harmful toxins in the body. that olive oil consumption decreases the levels of fat in the liver, increases blood flow and improves liver enzyme levels.